Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Elle, and today I would like to tour you to my new apartment. It's not really done yet, but well, a little bit. A little bit better now than from a week ago. So, yeah, this I just want to show you in my tiny apartment and how I decorated it with I downsize. I have just a two-seater couch and yeah, just a little bit. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, so I put a little bit of a Christmas decoration now, simple one. Yeah, and that is my new couch from IKEA, Ektorp. From the series of Ektorp. I chose the red color because I think it's season. It's Christmas season, so it's nice to have a little bit of red. You can always that's why I like with Ektorp. You can always change the color into whatever you want. They have in beige and blue, I think, and in white and gray also, I guess. Yeah, so whatever the seasons, you can always change it. In this Christmas time where it's dark outside, I think a little bit of red will cheer up the apartment. So, and that is a small basket there that I don't know what to put. I just got some green pines, and I just add a little bit of dry fruits and a little bit Christmas decoration, which, yeah, simple thing. Yeah, and we are in the area of where the Christmas here in Germany they use this handmade Christmas woods. We call the area as Erzgebirge, and they love using these products in our area. So this is one of the product of Erzgebirge. It's handmade, which I think it's dainty, it's cute, it's very simple, and there's a bulbs inside, small bulbs that brings a little bit light in the dark nights of winter time. And of course here I have another Erzgebirge, and the porcelain are from Poland, and these two are the series of Villeroy Boch Christmas series. Yeah, always a fresh Christmas star. And that one is the star of my mom. She brought it here in 2004, I guess, in 2004. Yeah, and I love her. I always feel my mom is around us when I hang it in Christmas. Yeah, and of course my plastic Christmas tree. This year I have a plastic Christmas tree. I had it already a long time, but well, yes, I can still use it. So decorated simple things, and these bowls are the products from Thuringen, Germany. So it's a glass, made of glass. Yeah, okay. That's all in my cozy little tiny apartment. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Merry Christmas. Okay, so our almost done with our living room, and yeah, I still have to rearrange things, but that I'll do after Christmas. These first are a very simple Christmas decoration for Christmas 2020. I still need curtain, but all the shops are closed now, so because of COVID-19 lockdown, so can't go shopping, or just maybe I'll just look online. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe, and yeah, Merry Christmas to everyone. Have a happy holidays. Bye for now. Love you.